Now I'm going to show you some of the advanced chart, like a popular advanced chart. One is a funnel. Okay, funnel is nothing but for a sales funnel. For example, you would like to know that how the exactly your sales happen. Okay, we'll go to focus mode. Now, for example, I would like to know the channel wise sales channel should be in a group. Okay, sales channel should be in a group. I would like to know the quantity sold. Channel wise quantity sold. Okay, I would like to know that in which channel highest number of the quantities are selling. Okay, to know that one, we'll be using a funnel. Back to report. Again, you can change all the this one formatting and all. Okay, general formatting you can change, or if you like to change the data color, select here. You can say show all color like this, or default color you can change. Okay, like this you can change the color. Okay, you can change everything here, and you can place them where you require to place. Select that. You can reduce the size by like this. Okay, increase the height. Okay, like this you can change the structure of your report. Okay, structure of your report, you can move this report like this, increase size, select this one, select, move this here like this. You can change. The one more is a like a pie chart. We can insert a pie chart. For example, inserted a pie chart here. Then legends. Legends is nothing but what to be shown in each section of the pie chart. I will say again sales channel. Okay, but now we are taking a sales channel wise total sales value. Okay, like this. If you like to divide this sales channel in detail, in the sense product wise, then you can select product into a detail, so that it will be divided, entire channel will be divided. Okay, otherwise you can close the detail. Okay, like this we can insert that one. Okay, like this, resize. Okay, now one more chart we can add, that is nothing but a donut. It will be similar to your pie chart, but hollow it will be. The next one, it is nothing but a tree map. If you inserted a tree map, for example, we say country should be in a group. Okay, what to be selected here, we select a sales value to be in a value, so that which is the highest selling country, we will come to know that by using a size of the box. Size of the box, it will give the which country has a highest selling. Okay, highest selling country we will be able to get it by using this one. Again, you can use a donut chart also. This will be similar donut chart. Like a legend is nothing but what to be grouped. Okay, that should be in a legend. For example, product ID should be in a legend, and I would like to know about a price of that particular product ID, and I would like to know the average price. Select here average price in a each product category. Average price in a each product category we can get it by using a donut chart. Okay, like this we can insert a many charts we have been inserted so far. Okay, many charts we have been inserted. Okay, like this we can insert a indicators also. In next video we'll show you how to add a indicators to your chart.